3 sets, let's go. Run, back pedal, run. Luke, go past the cone, don't look for it. Run, Luke, run. Luke, go past the cone, look straight ahead the whole time. Look straight ahead. Good, 1, 2, good. Now go faster, Luke. Go, get him, Mikey. Mikey, keep up with him, son. He's whooping you like you owe him money. Keep up with him, Mikey, run. Run, sit back. 1, 2, good, good. Tie your left shoe, Mikey. Keep up with him, son. How many sets do we do?
3.
What are you doing?
Back. Forward.
What are you, but where are you going? Why are you moving? Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? Yeah, don't want to go anywhere. 1 down. 2 to go. Keep your hands moving. Mikey, keep up with Luke. Keep up with Luke. Keep your hands moving. Let's go. Arm straight, Nick. Arm straight, arm straight, arm straight. Go. Sit back, Nick. Nick, sit back. Don't let your knees drift. Don't let your knees sit back. Good. Run. Stay square, Luke. Stay square. Don't turn your hips, Luke. Luke, do not turn to your right. Stay square. Put your left foot forward this time, Luke. Put your left foot forward, Luke. Put your left foot forward. You put your right foot 3 times in a row. Put your left foot forward, Luke. Every time you stop with your right foot. Every time. Every time. You've got to be able to use both your feet. You have to put your left foot forward this time. Every time you come forward, stop and push with your left foot, okay? You're doing right foot the whole time. You must use both legs. You must be able to move both ways. You cannot move just one way. All right, what are we doing after this last set? Switching, good. Do it as quickly as you can. Go, come on. 15 squats, 15 push-ups. Run, good. Chop your left. Good. 1, 2, good. Left foot. That was your right. 1, 2, left foot. That was your right again. 1, 2, left foot. Come on, run, Mikey. Good. Much better, Luke. Much better. All right, switch. Switch quickly. Much better. All right. Now remember, when you come forward, you gotta chop your feet. Chop your feet. Decelerate. You're a little off balance. Okay. Go over there. Stand. Grab one. Remember, chop your feet as you get closer. Spread out. Get your own rhythm. Kick that cone over some if you want to. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, you got to give him those. You got your own. That's fine. If you got your own, that's fine. Sometimes people don't share. That's fine. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Let's go. 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 Coach, 30 seconds is all they get. Nick, you already did 3 sets. Put it down. Hang out, Nick. Put it down, Nick. On the ground, son. Straighten out your legs. Straighten out your legs. Straighten out your legs. Straighten out your legs. Load your toes. Go. In and out. Drive all the way out. Let go of your legs, Harrison. Let go of your legs. Kick your legs all the way out. Harrison, go all the way forward. That's good, Bailey. All the way forward. Now get your knees higher, Gunner. Knees higher, Gunner. Higher. Higher. Chop your feet, run. Get past the cone, son. The cones are there for a reason. I need you all to go past them. Why not that cone? Because he kicked it, I think. Hold on. Is it even with that one? Close enough? Thanks, Mikey. Harrison, you're not kicking your legs all the way out. You've got to straighten them fully. There you go, just like that for recruitment. Get your toes loaded now. Get your toes loaded when you do it. Good, good. If you don't kick them all the way, you're not recruiting your hip flexors. You're activating them, all right? But you need to recruit them to activate more. Legs out straight. Go, go, in and out, in, good, good. Hey, Zach, don't drop the ball. Don't drop the ball. Run past the goal. Come on, run, run. Back pedal. 1, 2, good. David, moving. Chop your feet. Good, run. Don't turn left. 1, 2. Keep your hands moving, Mike. Keep your hands moving. Keep your hands moving when you come forward. Hands moving. Ah, you're stopping them. You stop them for half a second, your feet stop. You got to use your hands to move forward. My hands are what moves me, okay? So keep them moving, and then your feet will stay moving, okay? 1 more set, and then you're switching back. Hey, stand up. Get off my speed station. It's not a seat. Good run. Hands moving, hands moving, hands moving. Good. Keep it moving. You stopped it for a brief second again. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. There you go. Good. Do it again. Keep up with it, Moody. Keep up. Bigger steps. Bigger steps. Take bigger steps backwards. Bigger steps. Bigger steps. Good. 1, 2. Chop your feet. Good. Switch. Side bound. Switch. Hurry up. George, 30 seconds. That's all they get. Hey, George, 30 seconds is still going. Switch. Face me first. Side bound first. Side bound. Face me. 1. Yeah, but remember, side bounds. They're not. They're jumps. Jumps, then quick, okay? I need to see you go far each time, okay? Let's go, hurry up! Hurry up! Slide out some, back up some. Hey, keep your chest out, feet flat. No, pull your arm, into your arm. It's like you're running. You run like this? No, this way. You run like this. Bend your knees, bend your knees. Pull your armpits in, straight in, elbows tight. You don't run with your elbows out, elbows tight. Good, now pull faster. Pull into your armpits, Jack. Into your armpits. There you go. Now do it faster, Jack. Reach all the way forward. Side bound. Side bound. Faster, Luke, move fast. Hands, Luke, move your hands. Hey, when you come back, it pulls you. You felt that? It's pulling you fast. If you don't move your arms, you're not gonna be able to control it. Move your arms. Make bigger motions. Bend your knees, get in an athletic stance. Bend your knees. Bend your knees, watch. You're gonna go next, watch. Watch, listen, watch people. Stop talking, listen, pay attention. Back up some, Jack. All right, push with your left foot, pick up your right foot. Jump, jump. Shuffle, Luke, hands, move your arms, Luke, come on. Move your arms, Luke, move your arms. Don't cross your feet, take more steps. More steps, more. Move your arms, son. Move your arms, move your arms, move your arms. There you go, do it again. Good. You got to put it all together. It's not one thing if you haven't noticed this. I'm going to ask you about 18 things. You got to move your arms. You have to. Back pedal sprint, last one. Back pedal sprint. Last set, then the ones are done, you're going to the next station. Come on, let's go. Last set. Last set. Finish up. Back pedal sprint. Keep your hands moving. Keep your hands moving. Run, 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 run. Get past the cone, Mikey. Go past it. Get off your heels, Mikey. Chop your feet as you get. Run up, chop your feet. Good. Run up and chop your feet. 1, 2. Chop your feet. Good. Keep pushing. Push with your left. Chop your feet. Push with your left. You're right. Don't turn. Move your arms. Move your arms. Luke, please. Come on, son. How many times can I tell you the same thing? Come on.
Let's go.
Switch. Let's go. Switch. Switch. You guys go down there. You're going to hip power next. It doesn't matter about them. I didn't ask you about them. Go over there. You guys are going to squat next. Go over there. Go over to squat next.
The blue ones are harder than the red ones.
Are you telling me or asking me?
I'm asking.
Yes. Hurry up. Face that way. Face that way. Go to the next station. Go to the next station. Stick out your chest. Stick out your chest. Reach out. Reach out all the way forward, Coleman. All the way forward. Good. Move your hands. Shuffle with your arms. Move your arms. Move your arms. You just heard me yelling it. Move your arms, Matthew. Move your arms. Move your arms! Move your arms! Matthew, you just heard me yelling at Luke. You were just standing there for 3 sets. All of you, look at me. When you come back, you gotta move your arms. You gotta move your arms all the time. Come on, face the other way. Guys, if I'm telling it to Luke, I'm telling it to every one of you. Listen, and then do it. Come on, be coachable. You've got to move your arms, everything you do athletically. Everything. Come on, dude. Hey, what are y'all doing? Go get belts on. You're gonna look at stabs? Don't cross your feet. Move your arms, that's better. Jump far, that's good. Move your arms, good. Jump, bound, bigger bounds. Zach, don't drop the ball, son. I need you to be taller. That was better. All of you, moving your arms, good. We gotta get better at those side bounds. Who's going here next? You 3, you're gonna put on those ankle straps. Who's going upper body next? You 2, good. You 3 squatting next, good. Put your belts on, you guys are coming in next. Back pedal sprint, last one. Again, keep your arms moving, remember, transition in and out, okay? Transition in and out. Thumbs up, Coleman. Good, run. 1, 2, change, come on, go past it. Come on, keep up with Moody. Go past it, Moody. 1, 2, good. Keep up with it, Matthew. Come on, let's go, keep up with it, run. 1, 2, good. Chop your feet, run, good. 1, 2. Too many steps, chop your feet, come on, finish. Keep your head up, Zach, keep your head up. Switch, 1 down, switch. Next station, let's go, hurry up. Switch. Harrison, where are your tennis shoes? Dude, I told you, come on, man. You'll kill yourself over here. I told you bring them every day. What if we went inside today because it stormed? Then you'd be watching again. Because you definitely can't work out in cleats on a gymnasium floor. Go over there and get belts on. Go over there, Bailey. Go. Hurry up. Bailey, move away. I don't want you to get hit. Back pedal. Sprint forward. Keep your hands moved. Get off your heels. Rob Schuster, get off of your heels, son, when you come forward. Don't stop your hands, Rob. Do not stop your hands, Rob. Do not stop your hands. There you go. Chop your feet. Run. Good. Run. 1, 2. Now keep your hands moving. Keep your hands moving. Chop your feet. Run. Good. Get off your heels. You can't touch them going backward or forward. Look at me. Look at me. Watch my feet. Bryson, watch my feet. You get a plant step and a click step. You get 1, 2, okay? 1, 2, and then come forward. Look, watch my feet. 1, 2. You get to push with 2. 1, push with 2, step forward, okay? You're taking a couple too many, your feet are stopping, okay? Keep your hands moving, get out. 1, 2. 1, 2. Let's go. Second set. Let's go. Let's go. Arms long. Arms long. Arms long. Come on, Kurt. In all the way out. All the way out. Marcel, kick your feet straight all the way out. Don't hit the ground. 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 Get your toes loaded. Get your toes loaded. Hey, get your knees on it. That's not a push-up. Zach, Luke, get your knees on the ground and touch your chest. All the way down. Guys, you can't do those. You can't do that because you'll never swing your arms. Put your knees on the ground. If it hurts, go in the grass. But you've got to get your chest on the ground. Both of you are going way too high. All right, last set. Last set. You got your belts on over there? How you guys are going next? You guys are switching. Get ready to switch next. Hey, don't cycle. It's not a bicycle. It's not making a circular motion. It's a piston action. In and out. All right, piston. Cole, your feet shouldn't hit the ground. Cole, you didn't put my straps on right. You got to go through that D-ring, Cole. Good, run. 1, 2, keep your hands moving. Rob, keep your hands moving. Run, run. Chop your feet. Chop your feet. Chop your feet. Good. As you get closer, chop your feet so you don't slide. Run, run. Chop your feet. Good. So you don't slide. Run. 1, 2. Keep your hands moving. Parks, move your hands all the way through. Keep them moving, Parks. There you go. That's better. Good. Switch. Switch. Just that deceleration keep you from sliding, okay? That's why we're doing it too. Hey, you have got to put those on correctly. Sit down. Watch Zach. Put them on. Sit down, Zach. Watch Zach. He's going to put it through that metal thing. Through the metal thing. See that?
Yes, sir.
Then he pulls it tight. Hurry up. Good, 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 good. All right, get some water if you need it. Get some water if you need it. Keep your hands moving. Okay, keep your hands moving. Keep your hands moving. Hands moving, hands moving, hands moving. Get past the cone. Bailey, push with your front foot, not your back foot. You won't slide. Too many steps, Bailey. 1, 2. Get out. 1, 2, Harrison. 1, 2. That's good. Push with your front foot, Bailey. Bailey, you can't push with your back foot. You're going to slide your whole life if you push with your back foot because it's out from underneath your hips. All right, watch my feet. Watch my feet. You're doing 1, but 2 is back further. So you're pushing with a foot that's not underneath your hips. That's why you're going to slip. You've got to push with your second foot like you're doing, but your second one goes underneath your hips. Your first step is back far, second is close. Watch. Back far, close. So I push with the close one. So watch my feet. 1, 2, okay? Don't step so far back with 2. Come on, keep going, keep going. 1, 2. That's better, but pass the cones. Good, but you still don't push your... push with your front foot. Don't think, just keep working. That's better. Push harder with 2. Put 2 down faster. Hey, it's okay. That's why you're here, right? Okay, you'll continue to slide though. But what's happening is you're putting 2 back far. Move. Hey, move. What are you all doing? Get over there, weirdos. Hey, look. Hey, look. 1 is back far. 2 is underneath your hips. I'm trying to get you in our 2-point track stance in the track blocks. So 1 is back far. 2 is narrow. 2 is under my hips. 2 is under my hips. 1. No, you did it again. You did 3 steps. 1, 2. Push with 2. That's better. Chop your feet. Come on, keep up with them, Gunner. Run. Put 2 narrow. 2 closer. Keep working. Keep working. Go past the cones. Go past the cones. 1, 2. Chop your feet. Run. Very good. Hey, it'll get easier. I promise. It'll get easier. We'll do a ton of these. Okay, switch. What are you doing? We don't share belts. We don't share toothbrush. It's weird. Face this way. Hurry up. Switch. Hurry up. Hurry up. Side bounds, yes, but don't spend long on the ground. So as soon as I hit the ground, I push again, shuffle. All right, 3 quick pushes. 1, 2, 3, and then I move my arms to move my feet, okay? Powerful side bounds, quick shuffles. Big, 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 big. 1, 2, 3. Move your hands, move your arms, good. Bigger, don't move your arms in a side bound. Parks, don't move your arms in a side bound, just jump. Jump farther, all 3 of you. Parks, jump farther. The first one, jump farther, Parks. The first, time. Your first one is this. Don't move, push the foot. You're dragging it across the ground. Face that way. That's a good one. Face that way. Come on, catch your breath. Come on, Tuesday. Come on, turn up Tuesday. Exam week edition. EOG's edition. Teach to a test, not to a competency. We teach for tests in North Carolina. 1, 2, 3. Shuffle. Arms. Bigger side bounds. Bigger bounds. All 1, 2, 3. Get a third bigger bound, Rob. Bigger third bound. 1, big 3. Big third one. Good. Don't cross your feet. Squat. Sit back. Squat. Sit back. Sit back faster. Good. Switch. Let's go. Switch. Let's go. 1s. Pardon me. Back pedal sprint. And you guys are the 1s, right? You're good. Good. You got 1 more set, then you're switching. 1 more set, then you're switching. Back pedal sprint, back pedal sprint, back pedal sprint. Keep your hands moving. Hey, go faster. Blake, go faster. Don't let your knees drift, Brian. Sit your hips back towards that speed station. Yes, but get down low like you're taking a poopy. Low like a poopy. Good, run. 1, 2. Not too many steps. 2 steps only. 1, 2. Plant, click. Plant, click. Run. Come on, run. 1, 2. Chop your feet. Come on, run. 1, 2. Chop your feet. Come on, come on, come on. Run. Good work. Good, good. Keep sitting back, Brian, especially when you get tired. Move. Next station. 2s are up. 2s are up. Hey, guys. Rob, you guys, Parks, take your belts off. Put them on the space, and you guys go take those belts. Go over there. Move quickly. Go over there. Go over there. Go over there. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 3 side bounds and then shuffle with your arms, okay? But side bounds, look, I'm low, I'm athletic, I'm not standing up. I bend and I push. All right? Keep my knees bent the whole time, okay? You're an athlete. Move out some, move out some, move out some more, Mitchell. Go! 1, 2, 3, arms, move your arms, Bailey. Arms, 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 keep your arms bent. Arms bent, arms bent, arms bent. Drive your elbows back. Arms bent. Good. Arms, 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 good, good. Jump. Jump, jump, jump. Arm swing, arm swing. Don't cross feet, don't cross your feet. Can't do it. Don't sorry you didn't drop my child. You know what I mean? You didn't kick my dog. It's okay, you don't have to be sorry. All right? Just try and clean up your feet. Good. The first side bound, you're moving your inside foot. Try to just push with that inside foot, okay? And then when you come back, keep your arms bent. So it's, all right, instead of straightening your arms out, you kind of look like Gumby when you straighten them out. Come on, let's go. 1 should be going to the 3rd station. 2 should be on their 2nd set. Mikey, it's not a seat. Arm swing, elbows back, Bailey, elbows back. 1. Jump further, jump further. More steps, get off your heels. Harrison, get off your heels, son. Get off your heels, Harrison, get off your heels, get off your heels. Arm swing, arm swing, arm swing, arm swing, faster. Good, all right, real quick. When we side bound, all 3 of you, look. When you side bound, you 2 especially, you're not doing it so much, you can't bring your foot out. Because your foot now gets outside of your frame. That's why you slip on a back pedal sprint. Your feet have got to stay inside your shoulders and hips, inside your base, okay? So just up, and it comes with it, okay? Don't swing it out, I just bring it up, and I push it, everything moves together, okay? Back pedal sprint, hey, far, short, far, near, far, near. Ah, you're thinking, I got your brain going, I can see it. Come on, far, near, 1, 2, ah! I can tell he slips as he pushes his back foot.